back to my channel. My name is Jacqueline Lopez and today I have a spring home decor haul. I'm also going to be showing you some items that I bought for some really exciting spring DIYs. Let's just go ahead and get the usual out of the way. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time that I post a new video. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and share this video if you'd like for me to be able to do more content like this. Now let's just go ahead and get started. Not even going to try and redo that because I am on a time crunch. I need to leave to go to my son's game, so I don't even have a complete hour. So I'm gonna try and speed through this. So it's gonna be all the stores combined into one kind of collective haul. Nothing is going to be in order because everything is just kind of dumped in here. But anyways, let's get into it. The first item I want to show you is this beautiful, pink pillow, and it is a like lumbar pillow. It said oblong pillow. Where I got it from, this was from Walmart. I don't know if I already said that. This was $9.95 or $97, and I absolutely love it. This is going to go on my sectional. I love this little bit darker blush pink or just light pink. I don't even know what to call this color, but I love it. And again, this is going to go on my sectional. Going along with the pinks, I did get this flower sack kitchen towel from the Hearth and Hand collection. I probably should have opened it up, but I don't know if you can see the colors. It's kind of like a rose color, and then this is like a taupe, a light taupe. And it does have some black because I always do black in my home decor, especially in my kitchen, since my appliances are black and stainless steel. So I always like to incorporate some black in my home decor. Also for my kitchen, I did get the Geranium Mrs. Meyer's hand soap, and I always consider this part of my decor because I make sure that the colors match with what I have going on. I had never tried the Geranium, and I absolutely love it. It kind of smells like roses, and I love that. I also did buy the dish soap and the multi-surface spray, and I'm loving it. I'm using it all over the place. I haven't opened this one yet because I want to style this in a new way in my next to my kitchen sink is what I'm trying to say. So that's why I haven't opened this. I've been waiting so that I can film my oh my gosh, words are just leaving me. I'm trying to film my decorate with me for spring. We've just had really cloudy weather, so I haven't been able to do any of that or pretty much film anything because of that, since I do all of my filming in natural light, and that's why I'm sitting in this new area. I'm actually sitting on a chair this time instead of on the floor over here in my living room. I just get better lighting here instead of direct sunlight over there where it just casts like bright light over half of my face. But anyways, let's carry on. Another thing that I got from Walmart were 2 of these little bundles of green thistle. These were still 97 cents. Walmart recently raised the prices to $1.47 for a lot of their greenery and little floral picks. But these were still 97 cents, and it kind of makes sense because this is very small, but I'm going to incorporate these into some new floral arrangements that I'm going to do, and of course I am going to film that. I have also been doing some thrift store shopping, and I showed some of that haul over on my Instagram story, so make sure that you are following me over there for different content that never makes it here on YouTube. And then I also do variations of DIYs that I do here on YouTube. I do something similar but different over on my Instagram stories, so make sure that you are following me over there. And I do random little hauls every now and then, especially when I go somewhere and I only buy one piece, or if I go to the store and I see a piece that I want to show you that either correlates with a recent video that I did or just some new tips or things that I find in these stores. But from my thrift store haul, and I did show this on Instagram, I bought this large bag, and this was $3.49. Again, I will always suggest to go through the wall where they have all of these little bags because they have the most interesting things. And on this occasion, I found again this large bag of already crocheted flowers. I'm going to incorporate these in a DIY that I have coming up, so very excited about that. And there's just lots of different variations in different colors. I think 3 or 4 different flowers, and you can see how colorful this bag is. Really excited about this. At Hobby Lobby, I did get some greenery. I love to incorporate greenery, but especially for the spring season. And I got another bundle of these leaves, this foliage. I don't even know what it is, but I absolutely love it. It has kind of this white silvery on the tops, and then a very light green on the backs. This was $12.99. Last time I showed this, I bought this for $11.99, and I don't even think it was an entire month later when I went back for a second one, it was $12.99. So they are raising their prices. Just keep that in mind when doing your spring shopping. But I absolutely love these. I want to go get another one because I just love them so much. And I did end up buying this large bundle of peonies, and these are in this really nice pinky, peachy, yellowy color. I did have to pick and choose these because I don't know if you can tell, the petals at the bottom are all jumbled up, and I don't like that, but they were all kind of like this. These were $11.99, but I did get these when they had them at 50% off. It's every other week. I don't remember when I bought these, so I don't know if to tell you if it's right now that they're 50% off, but absolutely love these. I do have a video on some floral arrangements, and there I teach you how to pick the appropriate florals for the appropriate colors for floral arrangements. That's what I'm trying to say again. But I love this bundle. I got this big one because it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 peonies, and I'm just going to separate them and use them in different places. That's why I didn't care about the greenery or that it was in this really large bush bundle. And you did see me haul this recently. This is a second one. I absolutely love this. I got a lot of compliments when I used this on my DIY and when I shared it on my last home decor haul, because that's the last time that I bought one of these. This was $9.99, and I don't remember, but I could swear this was $7.99 before. Again, they're raising the prices, but I still love this piece. I love the green and the silvery white that it has as well. This is going to go in my kitchen. From Michael's, I did get this lovely little terracotta planter with a peachy coral succulent in it. It was $1.99. I did get this when they had it 40% off, so I paid, I think, $1.20 for it. I'm probably doing the math wrong, but I am going to be using this for a DIY that I'm super excited to share. That is going to be my next video. I am hoping to work on that tonight so that I can share it the day after this video goes live, because again, I can't wait to share this. From Michael's, I also got 2 wax melts, and these smell amazing. This one is in a flower bouquet, and it smells really nice and clean and floral, not too strong. This one is called Peony, and this one smells more like a bouquet of roses, kind of like the Geranium. So I love this, especially when I'm cleaning. I spray some of the Geranium where I'm cleaning. It fills the room with that amazing smell, and then I use some of these wax melts. This is a brand new pack. This one I already broke into, but I have purchased this one before, and it says that they are $3.99, but they had them on sale for $1.99, and then I had a coupon on top of that for 20% off more, so that made them even cheaper. The Better Home and Garden ones are $2 from Walmart, and then the Mainstays brand is $1. Also, from Michael's, my store is changing locations, so a lot of their clearance they're trying to get rid of. They're trying not to take any clearance to their new location, so they had all of that for an additional 50% off. So I did get 2 what are these called? Paints, acrylic paints, and these are both in brush metallics. This one is dark gold, and this one is in champagne, and I can't wait to use these. I'm probably gonna do more of those Dollar Tree orbs because I am just obsessed with them, and I know that a really nice dark gold one and a champagne gold one, they're gonna be perfect for different seasons, so I can't wait to do that. That's something that I probably will do over on Instagram. Again, those are the kind of tutorials that I do on Instagram that are, again, just variations of what I do here on YouTube. But what I was most excited to get at Michael's on clearance for an additional 50% off were these light cords, and these are 15 feet. So this is so that you can create your own like pendant lights. They're not hardwired. You have to connect them to the wall to an electrical socket. These originally were $19.99, but of course, you know, most things at Michael's you can get for 50% off. So I would just value these at $10, and they had them at $5.97. Oh, I don't know if you can see it, but it was an additional 50% off. So I did get both of these for $2.98 or $95, something along the lines of that. So this was less than $3, and I have it back here, sorry. I got this light shade is what it says, and these were the same price, $5.97, 50% off. And I got a total of 3 of these and a total of 3 of these. I don't know if I'm going to do 2 or 3, but I know I'm not going to be able to find these again at this price. So I went ahead and got the largest option that I think I would need. And I'm thinking of hanging these above my dining room table. They had different ones, but I think that this had the most like classic traditional shade still in this very modern look. So these would be perfect for if your style was modern farmhouse. I'm going a little bit more traditional mixed with, not traditional, more like contemporary mixed with French country. So I still feel that this would look good. Worst case scenario, I paint them white, but I think that the black will suit well with my kitchen. I cannot wait to hang these up, but I am going to need help from my husband because I'm really short and the ceiling is really tall. Well, really tall for me. To go along with the DIY that I'm going to be sharing next, I also bought some of these cute little terracotta planters. These I got 50% off, so they were $1.50, and I'm going to add, sorry, let me get this, my own little succulents to these, or leave them open for like an air plant. And again, this is going to be for the DIY that I'm going to be doing. But if you want to save money, I think it is cheaper to buy these with already the succulent in it. It is cheaper. I did the math. If you put your own succulent in here, you still have to put some type of glue or some type of foam to keep it in. So this is a cheaper option. I had bought these first, but again, just options for my videos. I want to help you find the most inexpensive way possible to create your DIYs and still make them look high quality. Another DIY that I'm going to be sharing, and I'm super excited because I've wanted to do this DIY for several different seasons, for several different videos. I've probably had this DIY planned pretty much since I started my channel, because I did used to do stuff like this when I was smaller. But I am going to do a DIY with this plain pillow cover from Hobby Lobby. It was $5.49, but again, I got this when they had them at 50% off. To go along with that, I did get some embroidery thread, and you can kind of already get the idea in your head of what I'm going to be doing with both of these. But I'm super excited to do that because I'm going to finally be able to share this, and I think it's perfect for me to use it during the spring season. From the thrift store, I also got this really cute rattan. It's not wicker. I don't even know what this material is called, but it's this fan, and it has this beautiful leaf shape. It was $1.49, but this day orange tags were 50% off, so I paid 70 something cents for it. I absolutely love it. This may not stay here in my home. This will most likely be part of a project that hopefully I'm going to be starting really soon. Worst case scenario, I keep this in my car, and if I'm ever hot, I get to just fan myself, because the carpool lane sometimes can get hot if I am parked in the sun, even with my AC on because it's so hot here. But anyways, another item that I got at the thrift store, and this is definitely my most favorite purchase. Well, I'm going to show you two at the same time. Actually, no, let me start with this one. Sorry, it makes a lot of noise. I got a bag for $4.49 of some silverware, and I loved everything that came in it. It had this adorable 3-piece hostess set, and it has this beautiful design. I don't know if the camera is picking it up. I still have to wash these. And then it also came with 8 I don't even know what to call them, regular spoons, dinner spoons, not soup spoons, like dinner spoons. I'm gonna set those there. And it also came with a spreader, one fork. Why, I don't know, but it only came with one. And then it also came with one iced teaspoon. So this is just a teaspoon with a much longer handle. I do get some from Walmart that I love. I love those for Ray Dunn mugs and for really mixing anything with ice. It came with one small, this looks more like a soup spoon, not a teaspoon. And then it also came with 8 teaspoons. And again, all of them in this beautiful design. I absolutely love them. I'm going to be washing these and using these next to my coffee station, so that these are going to be my coffee spoons. And then I got this Wexler, is what my friend told me it was, Miranda Christine. She's the one that told me the name of this. I absolutely love it. This is a little creamer pitcher, and I just love I hope you can see it on camera. I love the design that it has. And again, on this day, orange tags were 50% off, so I got this for, again, 70 something cents. And I'm going to be displaying them like this so that you can see the beautiful teaspoons. Again, I'm in a hurry. I'm trying to get this done, but I can't wait to show you how I styled this. I absolutely love this together. This is most definitely my most favorite purchase. Okay, I'm finally on my last item. I had to get up to make sure that I didn't have something randomly around the house. I did get this beautiful sign from Hobby Lobby, and it says, "All of me loves all of you." And I know a lot of people love this song. A lot of people use this for their wedding, and this was a part of the wedding decor that they have at Hobby Lobby, originally $19.99, but again, most of the stuff you can get at 50% off. But they did have this at 75% off, so $4.99, where they had their 75% off home decor sale. And I absolutely love this. I'm probably going to use this on my mantle for a while, and then this is most definitely going to be a permanent piece in my master bedroom, because this is such a lovely this is such a lovely love quote to have in your bedroom. And I think that's it for this video. I know it's very all over the place. You even got to hear my dryer go off. I was just waiting for that so that I could leave. So I'm going to quickly pick this up and leave. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed the items that I was able to share with you today. Let me know down below which one was your favorite piece. I let you know which one was mine. So go ahead and let me know down below which one was your favorite. As always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell so that you are notified every time that I post a new video. Don't forget to also like this video, comment on it, anything you like. It doesn't have to be your favorite piece. And also don't forget to share it with family and friends. That really helps my channel to grow. I have a lot of goals that I want to achieve this year, and I just want to, again, thank you for making that possible for me. And that's it. Thank you again, and have a good rest of your day. Bye-bye.